Okay, so today we'll start the. I have completed the GitHub and project planning and these things. So I may today start pipeline. Okay,
Okay.
so open the portal.azure.com. Okay, so just I some brief for it. What we need first for the pipeline, we need one is a code Git repo on Git GitHub or Azure DevOps. Okay, for the pipeline. Second is we need web. Third is data. And we need tool for data migration. Tool for data migration. Okay, and these things we need, and we need Azure Azure DevOps for CI/CD. Azure DevOps for CI/CD. Okay. And today we'll start CI/CD with ASP.NET. Okay. And
Okay.
tomorrow we will start with the Angular. Today start with ASP.NET. Okay. So here this is a Azure, and on here go to the DevOps. So this button you can open.
Just create a small project in ASP.NET project, then publish
Yes,
to
yes,
DevOps
yes.
and create CI/CD
And
pipeline.
yeah, this is a DevOps, and this is a Azure portal. Okay. And we are opening on here GitHub.
Now you can use Azure repos instead of GitHub
Yes,
repos.
yes, yes,
Yeah,
we have,
as a
we have,
DevOps repos Azure repo you
yes,
can use.
yes, we
Oh, you
have,
have a code here. Okay. Oh, you have
we
a
have,
project here.
yeah, we have GitHub code. So I just show you on here only. Yes.
Oh, you are recording? No, not. Yeah,
Yes, I
you
am.
can start.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yes, I
Okay.
am.
Yeah, I can practice tomorrow. Yeah.
Yes, yes. And we need to, for the data migration, we need use tool the migration data migration assistant. This tool we need to use for the migration data from local to Azure.
Okay.
On here we need a tool. Tool is for the Microsoft data migration tool. Okay, so first go to the DevOps. First start with the okay. This is step by step. Okay, first is create the project, correct? Now on here. Okay, create the project on here. we have write the project is spnet demo. Okay,
Mm.
and on your advanced agile we have created the
Yeah.
methodology agile, and now create project. Okay, now you can see this is project, and now go to the
Now,
pipeline.
first you don't want to repose here. You don't want to
Yeah,
click
yeah,
repose.
yeah. Okay. Yeah, we have finally all things. So first I start with the pipeline. Okay. In the pipeline we need to in web. So I create the web on here in the Azure portal. Okay.
Mhm.
Web. Okay. Web. If you issue in the between, please let me know because I am slowly
Yeah.
because this is on here
Hmm.
multiple steps.
Hmm. No, it's okay. This is I'm familiar. Yeah.
Yeah.
Introduce.
So I am create on here resource group
Yeah.
like focus 101. Okay, and we on here option we have you want to create the web through the container code. So I select on here code.
Code.
Okay, and after that we have runtime environment. So we have runtime environment .NET 9.
Hmm.
This is a framework.
Or you can
And
choose to 10 also, right? Is there any
yes,
problem to choose
yes,
10?
yeah, we will start with the 10, but this is code in also in 9. So
Okay.
okay, so due to the reason when I created that 10, so I began also something
Yeah.
in
Okay. Go it. 9 is fine.
and on here operating system if you want to deploy in the Linux or Windows. So
Hmm.
currently we are starting on the CI/CD with the Windows. Okay, and location on here we want to select. You want to any location as a
Yeah. Yeah. It's okay. Hmm.
so we want to select on here Central US. And window plan, this is a SP focus. Okay, central. And pricing plan regarding you can select on here free
Yeah.
multiple. So I am select on here Eastern. It will take some time. Okay, so select, we want to select the standard as well. Okay, so this select standard as well. This is a simply only standard. And now no need to change on here new database, no need to. And on here if you want to on here disable continuous deployment, you can enable continuous deployment. So you can enable. So first start with the manually. Okay,
Yeah. Yeah. To
that
disable.
one okay.
Mhm.
Automatic. So I will do this, but in next step. First step only the automatic manual automatic. Sorry. On here basic authentication. No need to basic authentication. We can choose if you want to allow basic authentication.
Yeah.
Okay,
But sometimes it gives error if you doesn't choose the basic authentication.
yeah, so we can do now next. Okay, and if you want to application inside, so no need to
Yeah.
application
No
inside
need to.
here. And okay, no need to. All things is good. Next tag, no need. Okay, now preview. Okay, so this is some error. What the error?
Yeah,
Okay,
you have to
the web
enable.
name.
Yeah, name. Mhm.
Okay, so on here, right, the app name is SPNet demo. Yeah, this is good.
You can uncheck the secure one. It will the year will be shorter. Mm.
Sorry.
Yeah, uncheck.
Yeah.
You can secure
Yes.
unique default host name.
Yes. Secure host name.
Yeah, you can uncheck this one. Yeah, it will be the shorter URL. Mhm.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, you can keep it. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. So now you can create. Okay. Till on here, I go to the pipeline and create pipeline, and we have on here Azure repo. We have GitHub. We have Bitbucket. So on here, where your code is available, please select. So we have available GitHub. Correct.
Yeah. Go ahead.
So I select this. Okay. So we have branches Web March 13. Just open on here. Okay, Web March 13. Correct.
Mhm.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Can you share this repo with me also?
Yes, yes, I am sharing.
Yeah, I can. Yeah.
Share in the chat window.
Yeah.
Okay, this is repo. Maybe this is a public. Maybe you not
Oh,
accessible.
okay. Yeah. Yeah. Hmm.
I do it on public. Public. Just 1 second. I
No,
do
it's
it.
private. It's private. This one.
Yeah, I do the public. Uh, change, change to public. Correct. On here,
Hmm.
danger zone. Okay, go to the setting. On here, you can do public. So I do it public. Now you can accessible. Okay, I select this. I now when I select again. Uh, okay, now you can see remove the
Yeah.
private.
Yeah.
Now select this. You selected public private repository, but this is not a public project. So getting change the visibility to private. Uh, but it's not a public project. Mhm.
I
Okay.
can see now. Yeah.
Okay, now check the web. This is created or not? Okay, this is created.
Hmm.
Okay, this is web created on here. Now we need to create the database also. So I create the database. Uh, it's called wait. So I go to the resource, create resource on here, select SQL database and select on here. Okay,
Hmm.
and now on here SQL database. Now create
Hmm.
on here, create resource.
But also you need to create database and also SQL server, both,
Yes.
right? Yeah.
Yes, also we can, but this is a,
Oh, you want to migrate data?
yeah, for the
Okay.
migration, so we need to this use this
Okay.
database.
Hmm.
And now we can select on here resource group and database name. If you want to name the database name like uh, database name demo db, demo, okay, demo db server, we need to create the server, okay, and then to log in. So on here give the server name is uh, sp net demo db, okay. Now
Hmm.
I on here select the US central, and after that method, so we want to authentication on here.
Hmm.
So authentication SQL server admin, so we can write on here name is focus admin, and password admin @ 1234 admin 1234, okay. Now focus, okay, and production, and click these things, and we have changed the plan is standard budget friendly,
Hmm.
and okay, now is good. Next networking, and we want to access anywhere, so give the access in public endpoint, allow Azure service to resource server, then enable add client IP address, enable, okay.
Hmm.
We need to set it. Now next on here server identity always basically secure, server manage if it is selected, no need to anything, and take and create and review, validate and trust validate. Now create. Okay, so this database source is creating. On here, when you create the pipeline, so on here we can select multiple things according. We can create the pipeline. First, I do the database. Okay, so after database, then do the write the code for the pipeline, and then do it. And on here, understand the repo, correct?
Yep. So you also
Okay,
want to
so
put the database in the pipeline?
yes,
So how, so let's say how database will update it in the pipeline.
Yeah, actually, for the database pipeline, we do later, but I migration database from the local to Azure
Okay.
through this
Okay.
through this tool. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
through this tool, we do the migration, data
Okay.
migration assistant.
Okay.
Okay, so migration, we can write on here local. Okay, and SQL. Okay, create window application. Okay, now we want to server name. So server name we want to from the Azure on here. Just like creating and then get on here server name. We want to deploy. We want to migrate data from local to Azure DB.
Mm-hmm.
For that we have created the resource on here.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, now I created. Go to the source. Go on here connection string and select this connection name, server name. Okay, server name, copy and paste, and username focus admin and password admin at the rate 1234 uh, trust certificate. Okay, okay, yes, I connect the local first. Okay, this is a local window application and connect. Okay, so we have saved the database demo db. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
this is a demo db. Next, now on here select Azure server. This is Azure server and select on here ESCO server authentication and on enter the focus username focus admin and password admin at the rate 1234. Okay, now trust, now connect. Okay, so on the server we have created the database on the server demo db, correct? Understand?
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Remember demo db. Okay, I go to the next. Also, so on here just I check the connection on the local. So the code, what the so code on there, what the so on there. So I connection demo demo run this code. Okay, so I migrate the data on here. We have created a procedure table user these things. Okay, this
Mm-hmm.
table we want to migrate to local to server Azure server. Okay, now generate the script. Okay, this application on the local, same we will do on the CI/CD. Through the CI/CD, we can deploy on the Azure. Okay. So these things we can do. Now on here, okay, this is script is generated on here. After script is generated, now deploy schema. Okay, deploy schema to the Azure DB. Okay, now deploy schema, click button. If you see in between, please let me know because we do slowly because on here multiple steps. Now migrate data. Okay, we have button back,
Yeah.
deploy schema or migrate data. So we have click the button migrate data. Okay, so this table we have go to the Azure DB. Okay, now start data migration. Data.
Okay. Great.
Okay, migration is complete. Okay, if you want to connect this DB from the local, you can connect through this credential. This server, this DB, and user ID and password. Okay, now now if you want to see, then we can connect on here. Just copy and database connect. Okay, authentication. Focus admin at the 1 2 3 4 test will connect. Okay, now you can see database coming on the server.
Yeah. But how, let's say, how database will update it automatically via CI/CD pipeline?
Yeah, so this thing we can do only currently I am doing only SPNet code. Okay, this CI/CD I do later. First
Okay.
I complete SPNet core application with the DB.
Okay.
Okay, so we have database on there, and we have on here. We have on here. So we have write the code on here. Trigger cool. We use the Windows. Okay, Windows latest. Okay, VM image, and after that variable. This is a source directory. Okay, source directory we have project path web if March 13. Okay, and this is path because this is a path. On here go to the project. Okay, and this path. 13, go to the project on here, CS project. Okay, this path we need to add on there. This,
Okay.
okay, so this path on here, this path, okay, project path. After that, this is a release. Now,
So this email file is generated automatically, or
no, I'm just checking what are the automatic creating on here. Just that time on here, no data, correct?
Mhm. Now I'm asking this YAML file is generated itself, or you wrote
No,
all these
this
things?
we want to create on here. We want some syntax coming on here, but we want to create on here. Some syntax come on here only.
Mhm.
Only maybe I do the public. So okay, till on here is generate automatic. Just again I create. Okay,
Okay.
pipeline. Create pipeline. Select GitHub and select project. Okay, this is
Yeah,
generated
yeah,
automatic.
automatically. Yeah, yeah. This is saying, yeah.
Mhm. Okay, this when I public this are things generated automatically.
But when you do from Visual Studio.NET, Visual Studio,
Mhm.
then this email file is not generated automatically.
From where Visual Studio? Dot
Yeah,
sorry
Visual Studio.
on here.
Yeah. If you create a project in Visual Studio,
Mm-hmm.
then if you put this project on the CI/CD pipeline, pipeline, then the code is YAML pipe is not generated automatically.
This project is in the GitHub, not on there.
Oh, okay, yeah, yeah, okay, okay, okay. First, okay, go GitHub.
Oh, this code on the GitHub.
GitHub, I know.
Yeah, so I don't know why it automatically is creating. Maybe I do the public, I do again private. Okay,
Hmm.
just check these things. I do the private first. Now again, select project private. No, automatically is creating. Okay, I remove this code and I write. mm,
Oh, you can keep it. It's okay.
Yeah, but so I understand what to select on here. Actually, if you
Okay.
on here
Hmm.
go to the assistant, okay.
Hmm.
So we need to first is .NET Core, okay, .NET Core. So
Hmm.
select this .NET Core and authentication and
Hmm.
authorize, okay, and project path like this line, okay, project path project path you can do from here. Project path argument, this argument, okay, we need to set on here argument. Okay, now add. So same code is generated on here. I just remove. Okay, .NET Core. Okay, setting. Okay, now when you cursor go on there, automatically go code on there. Correct steps. Okay, cursor on here. So code when I add. Okay, when I add button, then this code come on here. Correct.
Automatically.
And so I add. Now you can see. Okay, this code is coming. .NET Core CLI, Azure subscription, build, project path, and understand. Okay. After that, just okay. On here, no need to Azure subscription.
Yeah.
Just one more line. And same things. If I go to the setting, automatically select this setting on there. Okay, this setting. When I click on the setting, okay, then this automatically select on here. Publish argument. These arguments. Okay, and zip publish project. Okay, the automatic set on here. If I remove, if I change something, if I remove on here, okay, I remove and again add and then come on here. Okay, and for the file transfer, this is a this is for the suppose when you deploy the code, then we need to zip, we convert into the zip. Okay, for that purpose, enable XML. We need to this false. Select XML only JSON. I change this code and remove. Now again uncheck XML, then select. Okay, now this false. And after that we will publish two artifact. Okay, so need to select this for the publish build artifact. So we need to pass this argument build artifact staging directory drop. Okay,
Drop folder.
After that we want to deploy the application on the web app, which I created on here. Okay, which I created on here web app. This is DVSQL. Okay, go to the all resource. Okay, so on here DemoDB server, web server, and SPNet demo, correct? SPNet demo.
Demo.
Okay, on here we need to deploy. Through this URL, you can access the application. Now again, okay, and we no need to this setting. Okay, this is for this setting for the
For
database
CI/CD.
database migration, database CI/CD.
Mhm.
Okay, so I'm not do currently these things. I do only application CI/CD. Okay, so I remove these things. Okay, and now run and save and run. It's saying the pipeline is not valid.
Maybe you
Or
need to service principal.
just I click on here. Okay, Azure subscription which could not be Azure subscription. जो setup Azure web input Azure subscription reference service connection Azure subscription. Okay, just I go again. Maybe this Azure subscription edit and Azure subscription. Okay, I just check these things. Okay, authenticate subscription. This is subscription authorized. Okay, now I again add. Now validate. Pipeline is valid. Now save. Okay,
Mhm.
and after that we want to add the one.
Release pipeline.
Sorry,
Or you want to release pipeline? No.
release pipeline we want to use for the automatic
Yeah,
main
yeah,
dev, then staging,
yeah,
then production.
yeah.
So first I stay first only deploy on here.
Okay.
Yes. Now we want to add the connection string. Add the connection string. So we have connection string. Uh, we have connection string on here. Okay, this is a connection string on here. So I add dot db connection.
So the connection string, what will help the connection to the
Uh,
database?
yeah, this will connect the database.
Okay.
Now copy the connection string. Connection string is this is connection string db. I create. Okay, connection setting. Here is connection string. Connection string database. Let's back. Spinet demo db. Connection string we want to search on here. Connection network. Back. Do
So
you
you
want
found
to
is
just that time I saw you connection?
yeah. It's under data security maybe. No. No, you have to log into go to database, then only you'll see. It's not there. Go to SQL Server database. Click on top database. Yeah,
Yeah,
database.
but
Click data.
yeah, we can get from there also. But on here, where
You'll
is
find inside the database. Click on the SQL Server database. You'll find the database. Yeah,
no, no.
data.
We want to
SQL
get
Server.
the connection stream. Just back and a tool organization. Okay. Explain demo DB. No, no, this is the application. No, 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 no. I just check these things. Connection string on here. Okay. This thing.
No.
So I copy. We need to connect. We need to connect connections in these things. Copy this connection. Copy and add on here. Add on here. On here we need to add the password. Password we have admin at the rate 1234. Okay, this is my connection string. Okay, save. Okay, so now run the just again the pipeline. Okay, when I change the something, then automatic it will run.
Mm-hmm. You will continuous integration. You turn on right
Yes,
automatically.
on here. When you change something in the
Save.
pipeline, then when only one time create the job, then after that it will automatic running. Now open. Okay, now open. Now on here, permission needed. This message is coming. So I give the permission. Okay, now open on here. Now job is running on here. Some time so that he can deploy. You can understand the data, how to migrate data, all things.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, you can understand maybe. Okay, we need to download all things and how to create the web app, how to create the SQL server
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
um, resource group. Okay, and how to create the project. These things you can understand that.
Mm-hmm. I'm just creating one project. Maybe tomorrow I can show you that tomorrow.
Yeah, yeah, sure, sure, sure.
So I have some issues with. that pipeline.
Yes,
So
yes.
when I can be up to build this file, I think I have something wrong with my YAML file, you know. So
Okay.
when I try to deploy to Azure, so I got some error, path error.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I'll show you tomorrow.
Yes,
So
yes.
tomorrow maybe you can help with to fix what I did. I just created one small project with Visual Studio.
Mm-hmm.
Then I published that code to the Azure repos, DevOps repos,
Mm-hmm.
and from there I created CI/CD pipeline.
Okay.
But my build was successful. Release also successful. I get the release, but after getting the release, when I deploy it, and I stuck.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so first I create the release, then we can show. Okay, this is error is coming on here something.
Mhm.
Do not exist. Okay. SP web app demo. Okay. I go to the pipeline, select this. I select this. So we have created the SPNet demo, correct?
Mhm.
This I check again. SPNet demo, correct? SPNet demo.
Mhm.
So I this is select different. Yes. Okay. SPNet demo. Now add. Okay. SPNet demo. Now validate and save. Save. Now go to
You
the
have to run,
pipeline.
yeah, run again.
Yes. This is. Okay. So now it
Yeah,
will
okay.
deploy. Now do the create the CI/CD and on here. Now go to the on here web through this URL. Okay, through this URL you can access or right click on here. Click on here. Now you can see. Okay.
Mhm.
Okay. This come from the DB.
Our database.
This
Okay.
list this list come from the DB. Okay.
Hmm.
So I
Hmm.
change something on here. Like I change the privacy. I
Okay.
go to the code privacy and I guess to open the layout on here menu privacy or something. I change the uh, like product list. I products to product list. We want to change the products to product list. Mm, Go on here index.
Yeah, Chandrasekhar, can you stop today? So
Yeah,
tomorrow,
yeah,
yeah. So
just
tomorrow I'll bring something for you project.
okay. Just 1 second. Just 1 second. I show you
Yeah,
everything because
yeah, sure.
after
Hmm.
that I delete the resource because this is
Oh, yeah. Delete the resource means which
means
resource you're
because
deleting?
this is cost consuming because I pay the charges for it.
Oh, okay, okay. Hmm.
Product list. I change the product list. Okay,
Yeah, it will update
and
the
I
file there. Hmm.
privacy info. I change this privacy info. I change the home to index.
Hmm.
Okay, then I
From.
commit on here. Commit code.
Hmm.
Okay,
Hmm.
commit code.
Hmm.
Changes menu info. Commit
Hmm.
and push. Okay, pull and push.
Okay.
These changes reflect on the
It'll automatically, yeah, it will
correct.
through the
After
pipeline. Yeah.
after that, job is doing work. Start. Just go to the job on there. Okay, go to CICD. Just wait. Okay, you can see.
Hmm.
Okay, you can
Yes,
see.
in the queue. Yeah. Yeah. Hmm.
Now you can see this is automatic is doing.
Yeah.
Okay, automatic doing. Correct. Automatic doing.
Hmm. Hmm.
After some time means means after 10 second or 15 second
Hmm.
reflect on here automatically.
Yeah.
Okay, because I'm
Yeah.
saying because I create the resource DB all things page a go model I am using.
Yeah.
Okay, so I use then delete the resource. So only
Yeah.
charge only 10 rupees or 15 rupees, 20 rupees only I only pay. When I
Okay.
create same things I stay, then is memory consumed.
Yeah.
Then
It'll more money. Yeah. I know. Yeah.
hmm.
Yeah. Yeah.
So
So I'll
please,
create
please,
something tomorrow
no,
project. You know.
please wait for the 30 second. Okay, so you
Yeah.
can see the
Hmm.
reflect on there is coming or not automatically because this is a final output.
Hmm.
Yeah.
So,
So
just can you tell me one thing? From the path in the YAML file from Visual Studio. So let's say I don't have the GitHub. My project is sitting in Visual Studio. So then,
okay,
what path how do I find? Where do I find the path? If
path.
you go
Yes,
to the
I saw
if you
the
go to the if
I
you go to
saw.
the YAML YAML file,
Mhm. Path, path. Actually, I saw this path on here. Just I go to the code.
yeah, go to YAML file. Yeah, you
I
show me the in
yeah.
visual. Yeah,
I okay okay
GitHub. Yes, I understood from GitHub, but
okay.
from
No,
Visual
actually,
Studio.
just 1 second. I open on here GitHub. and how to get the path from code. So
Yeah, here
I
I
go,
got it.
yeah, this is a path. This is a
Yeah.
project path. Okay.
I have to copy just.
I this you can copy when you the I open the Visual Studio. On
Mm-hmm.
there, just open the Visual Studio. From there you can copy the path.
This
uh,
one.
Go to the right click. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
right click,
Okay.
go to the folder,
Copy. Okay, folder. Okay.
and this is file.
Yeah.
Edit, edit, edit in the notepad. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
This is another data file. No, this is, but this project. Okay, this is a path. Babe, a mark, CS,
Yeah.
C sharp
But
project.
how it will identify from DevOps pipeline? Sorry, DevOps YAML file. This path. This is local machine path. This one, right? This is
This
this
is
path.
no. You need to deploy the. If you are saying that you are deploy the code on the store the code on the Azure DevOps, correct?
Yeah.
So on there, same things
I have to
on
take it path from the DevOps. Okay, I got it now. Okay.
the DevOps. Like I am getting the path from the
Okay. Yeah, I
GitHub,
got it now.
same
Yeah.
path from the DevOps.
Okay.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Now again this refresh. Okay. Now you can see
Yeah, it's
index,
updated.
privacy info, product list. Okay. So this is
Mm-hmm.
a automatic. When I commit the code in the GitHub, automatically reflect on the
Mm-hmm.
this my live URL. So this is a
Okay.
CI/CD.
Yeah.
Okay. Understand?
Yeah, that's good. Yeah, it's good. So
Yeah. I can.
tomorrow, mm-hmm.
Yeah, I do with the DB and on your
Mm-hmm.
database connection. Now,
Yeah.
in the next tomorrow, we will show with the Angular how to
Okay.
deploy
Angular. Okay.
Angular
From Visual Studio.
BS code from
Angular.
the BS
Oh,
code.
VS. Yeah, VS Code. Okay. Okay.
Okay, so
Yeah.
okay. On here, any confusion, please let me know.
Yeah, sure.
And tomorrow, if any doubt, please let me know. Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Tomorrow it will correct around 9:30. My because now time is changed a little bit.
Yeah,
Little bit
yeah,
early for you.
yeah. We
Okay.
will connect 9:30. Okay.
Okay. Yeah, sure. Okay. Thank you, Chandrasekhar. Bye.
Yeah, yeah. Bye.